Hello and welcome to Galactic Unraveling. In this video, we'll be exploring the concept of nothingness and whether it truly exists. From a scientific perspective, nothingness is difficult to achieve, as there is always some form of energy or matter present in the universe. However, from a philosophical and spiritual perspective, the idea of nothingness can take on a different meaning. So, let's delve deeper into this topic and see what we can discover. Does nothingness really exist? A deep dive into the nature of empty space. Let's start by looking at the scientific perspective. The concept of nothingness is difficult to achieve in our physical universe. Even in a vacuum, there is still energy and matter present in the form of virtual particles and fluctuations in energy. The laws of thermodynamics also suggest that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Therefore, it could be argued that true nothingness does not exist in our physical universe. However, some scientists have speculated that there may be other dimensions or universes beyond our own, where different laws of physics apply, and where the concept of nothingness may have a different meaning. Now let's turn to the quantum mechanical perspective. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, and can even be in a state of superposition, where they appear to exist in multiple places at once. This means that the concept of nothingness can take on a different meaning in the quantum world. For example, the vacuum of space is not actually empty, but is instead filled with quantum fields that are constantly fluctuating and interacting with each other. These fields can create particles and antiparticles that exist for a brief moment before annihilating each other, creating a dynamic and ever-changing state of nothingness. Now let's turn to the philosophical perspective. Some philosophers argue that nothingness is simply a lack of being, and therefore cannot be said to exist in any concrete way. Others argue that nothingness is a positive concept that can be explored and understood through introspection and contemplation. For example, the philosopher Martin Heidegger argued that nothingness is not just a lack of being, but a fundamental part of our existence. He believed that by embracing the concept of nothingness, we can come to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. Finally, let's consider the spiritual perspective. From a spiritual perspective, the idea of nothingness can be explored in relation to concepts such as non-dualism or the nature of consciousness. Some spiritual traditions argue that there is an underlying unity or oneness that pervades all of existence, and that nothingness is simply an illusion created by the limitations of our human perspective. For example, in Zen Buddhism, the concept of mu, or nothingness, is used as a tool for transcending the limitations of the ego and accessing a deeper state of consciousness. So, does nothingness truly exist? From a scientific perspective, it's difficult to achieve true nothingness in our physical universe. However, from a philosophical and spiritual perspective, the concept of nothingness can take on a different meaning. Whether we view nothingness as a lack of being, a positive concept to be explored, or an illusion created by our limited perspective, it can provide us with a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. And now, with the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, we may be on the verge of unlocking even more secrets about the nature of the universe. The JWST, which is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built, is designed to observe some of the earliest galaxies in the universe, study the formation of stars and planetary systems, and even search for signs of life on other planets. With its advanced instruments and powerful capabilities, the JWST has the potential to reveal new insights about the mysteries of the cosmos, including the concept of nothingness. In fact, the JWST has already made some exciting discoveries since its launch on December 25, 2021. It has found 6 of the earliest and most massive galaxies, which appear more mature and larger than they should be, challenging our current understanding of the universe. This suggests that we may be missing fundamental information about the universe, and the telescope's data may pose a significant dilemma for scientists. Additionally, the telescope has detected the presence of water vapor in the atmosphere of an exoplanet orbiting a distant star, which could be a step towards discovering other potentially habitable planets and even extraterrestrial life. As we continue to explore the universe and push the boundaries of our knowledge, we may one day unlock the secrets of nothingness and gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental nature of existence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you some food for thought. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.